Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Sci. Today we're going to learn about scientific variables. You might be wondering, what is a scientific variable? A scientific variable is anything that can be changed or observed in the experiment. A science experiment contains three types of variables: a control variable, a independent variable, and a dependent variable. Each variable belongs to a group. The control variable will be found in the control group, and the independent and dependent variable is found in the experimental group. Let's look at the difference between these variables. I am going to start with the control variable. The control variable is kept under normal conditions. Nothing is done to it. This variable is not changed or measured. You do not touch it. You do nothing to it. The control variable does not affect any other variable, and it is not affected by another variable. The next variable we're going to look at is our independent variable. The independent variable is the variable that is changed or manipulated by the scientists. Here is a way to remember what is an independent variable. So the word independent starts with an I. So when you remember I, think of I am the scientist. I am the scientist that makes the changes. The I is also found in the word independent. So when you think of independent variable, you should immediately think of I am the scientist that is manipulating or changing this variable. That is a way to remember the independent variable. Let's talk about the dependent variable. The dependent variable is the variable that is observed or measured by the scientists, and it is affected by the independent variable. So the dependent variable is anything in the experiment that you are observing or measuring. That's it for today. Subscribe and have a good day. Stay awesome. Thank you for watching.